y'all, it's me, Sista Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. Back at it again with another review for you. So you're gonna be getting a lot of reviews while I'm on the injured list. Can't get in the kitchen to you right now. But I'm excited to try a gluten-free snack. Vegan, of course. It's also paleo. I'm going to be sampling the chip brand SIETE today. I've got 3 different flavors. I've got dairy-free ranch, dairy-free Fuego, and a jalapeno lime. Yes, jalapeno lime. So, yeah, let's get into it. All right, y'all. I want to try the ranch flavor first. I'm gonna be honest, I have low expectations in terms of liking this because this is giving me cool ranch vibes. Not my favorite flavor of Dorito, but let's find out if I like these. So I like to open my chips actually from the bottom because I feel like all the seasoning shakes to the bottom, but now I'm getting the seasoning distributed better. Okay, smell test first. For a chip that's grain-free, it smells very grainy. It's not giving cool ranch. It's kind of giving cardboard. All right, not sure if that's in focus and clear. So that is what the chip action is looking like. Okay, it definitely tastes better than it smells. So it's not a strong ranch flavor. It's definitely giving homemade ranch versus store-bought ranch. Or maybe it's off-brand ranch. I don't know. You know, considering I thought I wasn't gonna like these, I like them more than I thought. All right, y'all, that is the ranch. Jalapeno lime. Okay, this smells like 2 things to me. It smells like when you get like super green powdered mix that goes in a smoothie. It smells like that. But it also smells like somebody took a can of green enchilada sauce and like just left it in the pan on the stovetop and it dried out. So it's spicier than I thought. This packs a flavor punch I was not expecting. The lime is there. It doesn't necessarily give jalapeno. It tastes like a different pepper. I'm not that well versed in peppers, but it's not quite giving me jalapeno, especially since I ate some fresh jalapenos on Friday. I feel like I know what the taste tastes like. This doesn't taste like that. It doesn't taste like pickled jalapenos either. But it is surprisingly spicy and I like that. I like that. This is the flavor I was most excited for because it's hot. It's fire. It's Fuego. So this smells like, have you ever had cayenne pepper in your cabinet for too long? Like it's been expired, it's not really red anymore. No, paprika, it's not really red anymore. It's that brown because it's been sitting in there too long. You probably shouldn't be seasoning with it anymore. It smells like that. It smells like dried powdered spices. Like old dried powdered spices, to be clear. But if I've learned anything from the smell test, these smell terrible and the taste is better than how it smells. No. It's spicy, but the jalapeno one is spicier and a better flavor. This reminds me of when I sampled those pitos. Not really feeling it. Sometimes I'm like, maybe I got a bad chip, but I don't like the initial flavor. I'll try it again. There's like a strange sweetness to it. I do not like that. All right, y'all. It is time to see if it has that Sista Girl Tuesday pop. So the first one is P for presentation and plating, but this is just going to talk about packaging more so. I think the packaging is fantastic. I think it's really nice. I like the colors. I've had something from this brand before that was purple, and you know how I feel about purple if you watch my Tabitha Brown video. And I really like the packaging on that as well. Like, I am intrigued when I'm grocery shopping to go for this just because I like the way it looks. So, points. Optics. When I look at the chips, they look like not corn tortilla chips. They have an interesting look to them. When I read the bag, it says that these are made of cassava. So maybe that's why, optic-wise. So it's interesting. I would definitely say do not judge the flavor of this chip by what it looks like. Give it a chance. And then let's go for the last P, which is price and punch. Price, it costs a little bit more than your average tortilla chip, which is fine because these are grain-free and they have different flavors, and you don't have to worry about it having any cheese on it. So if you're dairy-free, this is definitely something you want to look into. And when it comes to punch, y'all, I am surprised. I'm surprised. I thought I was gonna like the Fuego the most because I thought it was gonna be like a nice flaming hot kind of vibe. Not my favorite. The Jalapeño Lime surprised me. I thought that I would enjoy that chip, but I didn't enjoy it. I enjoyed it more than I thought I would. And the same thing goes for the ranch. I was pleasantly surprised. So 2 out of 3 ain't bad. So I'm gonna say overall, SIETE gets poppin'. For me, it has that Sista Girl Tuesday pop. Let me know in the comment section below what you think if you try these out and what other flavors I should try from SIETE. You already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.